smarter, deep water, I be drowned. I should've felt the tension. Overreacted and acted childish, impacted, it's all around. When you were pushing me away, I should've tried to give you space and get out of your way. How did I not see this coming? You'll leave them one day. Pretending no one is to blame. Too late to reignite our flame. How did I not see you running? How did I get left behind? How did I not see this coming? Yes,
I am a perfect 10. I am a perfect 10. Whoa, I am a perfect 10. I am a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stared and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final